Hi guys, do you have a flooding problem? We can help. Here is how it works. This house has a sump pump that pumps water from the basement to the drain.
Hi guys, this house has a sump pump to take water to the outside. It runs on electricity, but when the power goes out, I have a battery backup unit that I turn on. Then I unplug the sump pump from the power and plug it in here. And now it will run the sump pump.
Jim, how long does it last?
It lasts for several hours depending on how much rain there is.
And what happens when it is out of power?
Then I have another backup in the garage that I'm going to show you next.
Jim, how is it connected?
I connect this cable to the battery of my car, which powers this inverter, and I turn this on, and it provides power into the house. Or you can use an extension cord. I take the cable from the garage and unplug the sump pump from the battery unit and plug it into the one from the garage. Now it is running from the car through the inverter.
So call us for more information.